happy Saturday. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So we have our September 2019, September/October, because it is bi-monthly, test tube beauty box or tube. I love this so much. This is always so amazing. I'm going to tell you a little bit about it, and then we will get into what is in this month's or this bi-monthly box. So first, again, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And guys, don't forget, we do have the 5,000 subscriber giveaway going on. That link will be down below. It does end on the 22nd, so if you have not yet entered, please do so. And as always, please leave a comment down below telling me about your day and your thoughts. I love hearing from you guys. And if you enjoy the video, please do give it a thumbs up. So what is test tube beauty? Well, like I said, it is bi-monthly, so every other month, members receive 8 or more full or travel size beauty products. These are newly discovered beauty brands and well-known brands that span a range of categories, each stamped with the approval of the editors of New Beauty, which is a magazine, which you also, as a member and a subscriber to Test Tube Beauty, receive the magazine. And it's a thick magazine. Like, it's a big magazine. So that is awesome. So it's skincare, hair care, body care, or beauty items. It's a little bit of everything that you're going to receive in here. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. It is $29.95. They do charge for shipping. They do charge $8.95, so it comes to a total of $38.90. But again, it's every other month, so it's really not that bad. And every test tube has a value of over $200. And the September tube, this one right here, is worth $258. So you definitely get your money's worth. And I think it is amazing. So like I said, I'll put a link down below. It's bi-monthly. I don't get anything from the link. It's just for you. There is no like coupon or referral program. But I definitely love this subscription, and I think it's absolutely amazing. Like I said, it's only $29.95. Yes, you are paying for shipping, but it's only every other month. So the value is absolutely there. So let's get into and I think it's so beautiful. Isn't this gorgeous? Like, it just like, I love this. You can reuse these tubes like to store things, or I just think it's amazing. Now, it does come in an outer, like in a box, in a shipping box, and there were a few things outside of the tube. I guess they would not fit. But we also always get a little pamphlet here that will tell us about the items. So let me see here. All right, so it says Clean Slate. And this is coming from Danielle Fontana, a digital editor. So it says, I considered myself a yogi in training. I went to a class once a week for about 6 months. Fast forward 6 years, and my workout of choice has changed, as have many things. But what I found to be the most transformative part of yoga has continued to stick with me: intention setting. Regardless of the intention, the simple practice has allowed me to better streamline goals for a hectic week, let me laser focus on daunting tasks, and thankfully remind me to just pause and breathe. I'd like to think this test tube has an intention too, helping us reset. Whether it's finally adopting a gut balancing probiotic into your daily routine, treating yourself to a pore purging facial, or deep cleaning a neglected scalp, trust me, it makes a difference. This tube houses many must-try products to refresh your beauty and wellness regimen. But it doesn't stop here. Which other areas are you looking to reset? Connect with us on Instagram and inspire us to do the same. We're all in this together. And one thing, this is really awesome. So it shows right here, like the lid. I don't know how well you're gonna see it because it's kind of small. Has sunglasses in it. Like, that's how she apparently stores her different sunglasses. So it does tell us the contents. I'm slapping myself with the magazine. It does tell us the contents here, but we're just gonna kind of move along and get to each page where it will tell us more about each individual product. I'm gonna start with the ones outside of the tube first. one I am very familiar with and love, so I'm so happy to see it. And that is from Batiste, a dry shampoo. Sassy and Daring Wild. I love dry shampoo. It is a saver. As you guys know, Southern mom, I am a mama, and sometimes, you know, I'm lucky to just hop in the shower and bathe so I don't smell, and I may not necessarily always have time or even feel like really messing with my hair. So I love dry shampoo. I'll be honest, I usually do go a day or two without washing my hair, and this is always amazing to have. So this is, you can get this at Ulta. It is $8.99. Says to get an instant refresh on tired, oily tresses, this dry shampoo is made with a unique rice starch formulation that revives lifeless hair, eliminates odor, and extends blowouts. And it says how to use like normal dry shampoo. Make sure to keep the can about a foot away and spray onto roots before massaging in and styling. So I haven't actually smelled this one, the Wild, Sassy and Daring. Woo! Ooh, that smells good. That smells really good. Definitely sassy. So we got a dry shampoo. Obviously this is full size, so yes, always happy to get full size products. Love that. All right, and then the next thing outside of our box says boost your glow with a $50 purchase. Hydra Facial right here. What is this? Okay, an add-on to an in-house Hydra Facial treatment that helps smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and supports skin structural proteins, including collagen. How to use. Not for at-home use. Just visit hydrafacialnation.com/newbeauty to find a participating partner. Mention New Beauty when you schedule your appointment, and remember to bring your booster to your discounted treatment. Okay, so this isn't something we can use here at home. It does say receive $50 off your next deluxe Hydra Facial treatment when you bring your enclosed booster to your appointment. Huh, that's interesting. I wonder if I even have a place here that would do that, but there's a product in here. You can see right here, and it's like a vial, so I don't know what they would have to do with it, but that's interesting. Like I said, I'll have to see if anywhere here is a provider or partner with them for that. So there's that. And then there's what the actual product looks like. And like I said, it also gives you $50 off the facial. So we have that guy. And then we have, and I'm actually very excited about this because I just ran out and I use these every day. This is a Probiogen Daily Digestive Balance. So there you have it, that right there. You can get this at GNC. It's $24.99. And it says probiotics that thrive. 100% or 100 times better survival, DNA verified strains, smart spore technology, and there's 30 vegetarian capsules in here. And it says it is a high potency, once daily probiotic supplement that helps support the digestive and immune system and promotes healthy hair, skin, and nails. You just take one capsule a day with a meal to help support the microbiome. I'm all about taking a probiotic. I know many of you know, I have said before that I have rheumatoid arthritis, fibromyalgia, I have some autoimmune disorders. So I definitely take a probiotic because it helps, like this says, with your immune system. So I am so happy because I literally just ran out and now I have some more. So yay, that is awesome. So I'm loving, I have cardboard on me. I can notice it on my black shirt. So I am loving the combination of products in this month's tube. Well, those were all outside the tube, but now we're gonna get into our test tube. So yeah, this is what she had, like, I guess, sitting on her desk with her sunglasses. So there's different ways to reuse this. So it is like stuffed. So let's see, what are you? Mass Eden Facial Steam. Interesting. You can buy this from masseden.com for $16. It says it's a mixture of tea spices that works with steam to create a weekly at-home DIY spa treatment. Place one bag into a pot of water, boil, and pour into another container. Hold your face over the new container for 10 minutes to reap the beautifying benefits of the steam, but don't touch the hot bowl. It's got rosemary, orange peel, ginger, and tarragon. It says it helps to clear skin and detoxify pores. You know, that actually sounds really awesome. So it says after washing your face, put one botanical bag into a fresh pot of water, bring to a boil, let the mixture steep until it reaches a maximum temperature of 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour mixture into a heat-resistant bowl. Hold your face over the bowl carefully not to get too close to the hot mixture. Drape large towel overhead and bowl to enclose the steam and steam for 5 to 10 minutes. And then it says to discard the mixture, wash your face and apply moisturizer. Use no more than once a week. So I'm excited to give that a try. That just sounds relaxing, like. So I'm excited to try that. All right, so let's keep up moving. Next, just because this is sticking out, this is from Amica, which I love, Reset Exfoliating Jelly Shampoo. That's awesome. What do you smell like? Amica products always smell fantastic, so I'm like, oh, it's a different. Yes, that smells good. All right, so you can get this at loveamica.com for $25. This once a week shampoo treatment is infused with sea salt, charcoal, and pink clay to provide a deep, soothing clean for hair in need of some TLC. Slide the targeted applicator tip directly onto wet scalp and hair, working from scalp to ends. Rinse and follow with conditioner. That's awesome. So it says detoxifying ingredients like pink clay and charcoal absorb and rid pores of dirt, odor, hard metals, and toxins that can collect in the hair via pollution or hard water. Sea salt and salicylic acid aid in exfoliation. That's fantastic. Awesome. I'm excited to give that a try. Like, really, like, that sounds amazing. And then from Cureology, here we have, it says the cleanser. You can buy this, Cureology.com. It says starting at $19.55. A gentle foaming cleanser with an anti-inflammatory oat extract that's non-comedogenic, I always mess that word up, and ultra hydrating. Massage onto damp skin for 1 or 2 minutes and rinse off thoroughly with warm water. Plant sugars and oat extract help keep the skin's pH balanced and address inflammation. Created by in-house dermatologists to be fragrance-free and hypoallergenic, this wash is safe for sensitive skin. That's fantastic. I think I've said fantastic like 18 times, but hey, we're gonna go with it, right? So we got a face wash. And we have 2 more products in here that are both in boxes. So let's see. This is from Ode or Odie? Ode? I'm not sure. Orchid Alchemy Antioxidant Facial Oil. Awesome. And you can buy this at mcevoyranch.com, MCEVOY ranch.com. This is $65. A nourishing facial serum blended with skin-loving oils and extracts, including organic, early harvest, extra virgin olive oil from McAvoy Ranch. Apply 2 to 3 drops. Only 2 or 3 drops are needed to cover your face. Warm the drops on your fingertips and then massage into skin. More than 30 oils, namely olive, cherry, pumpkin, seed, turmeric, and avocado, deliver moisture, fight free radicals, and calm inflammation. Frankincense and myrrh oil extracts reduce blemishes, enlarge pores, and slow signs of aging. In aromatherapy, these extracts are trusted for restoring emotional balance. Huh. That's interesting. It's cruelty-free. It says formulated without parabens, phthalates, sulfates, and BPA, never tested on animals. That's awesome. I love facial oils. This is antioxidant facial oil. So there is the actual product, $65. Love a good face oil. So I'm excited about that. And then our final product, I'm loving just the variety that we have here, is from, and I just got something, I believe it was in the Allure beauty box, and it was like an eye serum from this brand, Nuria, Defend Skin Shielding Essence. You can buy this at nuriabeauty.com. This is $48. And it says Skin Shielding Essence with ginseng and carob found in Asia. All right. A lightweight vegan essence with ginseng root and carob that shields skin from environmental toxins and stressors. After cleansing and toning, gently apply to face and neck. Ginseng helps mitigate new wrinkle formation. Carob helps calm redness and irritation. And I can never say this word. Niacinamide strengthens the skin's barrier against future environmental damage. That sounds awesome. Oh, it's taped. I'm like trying to open it and it's like taped. It's a box inside a box. All right, so that looks really cool. Like you can see like, it almost looks like little gold flecks or something, and then little pink spheres. Doesn't reference, oh, I keep reading. The women in Korea know how important an essence is for forming a protective layer that improves skin health, and creates the coveted glow. Inspired by their wisdom, we decided this formula to be lightweight and yet a powerhouse. Plus, the pink pearls and gold flecks make it fun to use. So yeah. So I'm excited about that. I'm all about skincare. I love skincare. We got some dry shampoo. We got a jelly shampoo that's actually a detoxifying shampoo. That is amazing. The face cleanser, the face oil. We got the steam. We got this guy right here. And then the facial thing with the $50 discount and the probiotics. So this is like probably one of my favorite test tubes yet, because it's just such a vast variety of products, and I think it's amazing, and the value is definitely there. So like I said, I'll put a link down below for Test Tube Beauty if you'd like to sign up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And again, I hope you have a wonderful Saturday. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.